Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have a few rain showers out there. Currently this morning that's going to be streaming in from the southwest over our area. That's going to give us a few light rain showers through this morning into the afternoon hours. And we'll see skies clearing for later on this afternoon, the evening hours, and should see some decent sky conditions for our possible kinetic launch for this evening. So looking at our current surface analysis, we have this cold front that's currently over the area. This was a 6Z, so earlier overnight, but the cold front has advanced through our area and just crossed the Wallops region in the last 15 minutes or so, and that's going to allow for that boundary to just kind of slowly move through this morning and giving us those chances of showers for this morning into the early afternoon hours. So looking at our current observation, we have a broken deck at 6,000, 7,500, and at 11,000 feet. Winds out of the northwest at 7 knots, gusting to 17 knots, temperature at 68 degrees, and relative humidity at 66%. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have a good amount of that cloud cover streaming in from the southwest through our region. That's going to be continuing through the morning into the early afternoon hours. Taking a look at the camera shot this morning, you can see we do have a little bit of dark cloud cover across the southwest portion of the viewing area. You can see we do have that few rain showers in those clouds this morning, but overall seeing most of the cloud cover around 6 to 11,000 feet this morning. And taking a look at our radar imagery, you can see as this rain shower activity moves from Richmond towards our region, we'll see those rain shower chances increasing, especially towards the late morning hours into the early afternoon hours today. And taking a look at the HER model, it's going to depict the derived reflectivity here. Here's 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and then noon today. You can see those showers moving through the region, and possibly till about 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll see a rain shower in the region, and then for later on this evening, here's 6 p.m. or 1800 local, and then 20 local. You can see we're seeing some decent sky conditions across the Wallops region. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have that warmer temperatures this morning, seeing temperatures in the upper 60s and falling into lower 60s, possibly the upper 50s by around noon today with those rain showers around. And we'll see a high in the afternoon hours around 66 degrees after we see the warmest temperatures this morning. Looking at our overnight low around 50 degrees, we'll see those northwesterly winds throughout the rest of the morning hours around 8 to 13 knots, possibly gusting as high as 18 knots, and then seeing lighter winds for this evening north to northeast around 5 to 10 to 48 knots, and then overnight continue with those light winds out of the north in general around 5 to 10 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions today. Ceiling should be around 4,000 feet, even if we do see some rain showers after about 10 local this morning. A possibility we see something down to 3,000 feet, but overall should see all of our sky coverage above 3,000 feet or above for today. Looking at tomorrow morning, going to see a bit more mid-level cloud cover build in around 8 and 13,000 feet for tomorrow morning. So going to start out tomorrow mostly cloudy, then transitioning to partly cloudy by later in the day. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at our Tuesday and a Wednesday forecast, going to see partly to mostly cloudy conditions on Tuesday and pleasant with a high of 67 degrees. For Tuesday night, mostly cloudy to overcast with a chance of a few light rain showers early. It'll be slightly breezy as well overnight. We'll see a low of 49 degrees. Looking at that rain shower chance around 25% with a cold front moving through early during the overnight hours on Tuesday. And then for Wednesday, partly cloudy and pleasant with a high of 65 degrees. Green chart across the board for Tuesday and for Wednesday. So looking at some nice conditions for the middle of this week here at Wallops. That's going to complete our 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock, look at the next 7 days.